How do you fix a bag whose belt is broken like this? It's just torn. This part is just torn. Everything else looks good. So I have a similar bag which I matched the pattern of. That bag had metal buckles like so. So we're going to follow the same principle. What they did was the belt goes through the outer loops of this buckle, through the fastened end of the second buckle. It comes from the underside, goes through the middle buckle, and is sewn and fastened right there. We'll follow the same principle for the plastic buckle. So let me adjust this for the video. So step one, the belt goes from these two windows here. So loop it like so. Step two, take this belt from the fastened buckle, which is the second buckle, which is attached to the bag. Put it through the loop, pulling it out, and we're back in our first buckle. So this end goes through the underside. It forms the inner loop from the bottom. So do you see the center part of the plastic buckle? I'm going to give us some leeway so I can fit it as a loop within this loop, so it will come in from here, from the center. So from the underside, I'm going to thread this end of the belt through the center part of the plastic buckle, such that it forms a little inner loop. Here you go. Now you have like a little, this was our first loop, and there's a little inner loop here, this one. We sew it down. So I'll make just a few quick stitches, and then I'll reinforce them after the video, just for the video. And tie a knot. Three, pull it through, you have a knot in place. Cut it. So what do we have? So now we have, does the bag adjust fine? Yeah, there you go. So now we can shorten and lengthen the strap however we want. That was not hard to fix actually, once we figure out the 3 steps to do. First from this outer loop, then from the second buckle here, and underneath make a second little inner loop in the center part of the plastic buckle. That's it. So your bag is now back to what it was. Thank you.